Creating a comprehensive script for a cryptocurrency trading video involves breaking down the key concepts and strategies in a clear and engaging manner. Below is an outline for a script covering various aspects of cryptocurrency trading. Introduction. Welcome viewers and introduce the purpose of the video. Highlight the popularity and significance of cryptocurrency trading in the financial markets. Section 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. Briefly define what cryptocurrency is and how it operates. Explain the basics of blockchain technology as the underlying foundation. Section 2. Getting started with trading. Discuss the importance of selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Explain the process of creating an account and securing it with two-factor authentication. Demonstrate how to deposit funds into the trading account. Section 3. Types of cryptocurrency trading. Spot trading. Define spot trading and how it involves the immediate exchange of assets. Discuss the advantages of spot trading, including simplicity and ownership of the underlying asset. Futures trading. Explain futures trading and how it involves contracts for the future delivery of assets. Discuss leverage and the potential for higher returns and increased risk. Section 4. Technical analysis. Introduce the concept of technical analysis in cryptocurrency trading. Discuss key technical indicators such as moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Explain chart patterns and their significance in predicting price movements. Section 5. Fundamental analysis. Define fundamental analysis and its role in evaluating the intrinsic value of a cryptocurrency. Discuss factors such as team background, technology partnerships, market trends. Emphasize the importance of staying informed about news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Section 6. Risk management. Stress the importance of risk management in cryptocurrency trading. Discuss setting stop-loss orders, position sizing, and maintaining a diversified portfolio. Highlight the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market and the need for caution. Section 7. Trading strategies. Day trading. Define day trading, its focus on short-term price movements. Discuss common day trading strategies such as scalping and momentum trading. Swing trading. Explain swing trading and its focus on capturing medium-term price trends. Discuss technical analysis tools used in swing trading. Long-term investing. Discuss the principles of long-term investing in cryptocurrencies. Emphasize the importance of researching and selecting fundamentally strong projects. Section 8. Tax implications. Briefly touch upon the tax implications of cryptocurrency trading. Encourage viewers to consult with tax professionals for accurate guidance. Section 9. Conclusion. Summarize key points covered in the video. Reinforce the importance of continuous learning and staying updated in the dynamic cryptocurrency market. Remember to incorporate visuals, charts, examples to enhance the viewer's understanding, and stress the importance of conducting personal research before making any trading decisions.